So here's TRAVELBOAST app, which went viral on TikTok, or for some other reason it went in the top charts in the US App Store. And here I will just show you exactly how you can create a route and how you can start using this app from the very beginning. So yeah, you just go into the app and then you have start point in top left. This is where you enter your start point. So let's just enter, for example, if you plan to travel from New York. So this will be your start point on the map. Yeah, it should take some time to... Okay, so as you see, I chose the wrong New York. So yeah, you can just select here and then you tap destination. So that's the second point you are traveling to. So then you can just enter something like that. Then you can also add, I think, or you can drag around like this, and then you can add some additional, trips here. And then if you just select and hold on the model to change the car. So for example, we want to travel by car.